Modular synthesizers are not only a sight to behold, but fascinating instruments capable of producing unique sounds that people have never heard before. In this Puremix.net exclusive, modular synth guru Andrew Scheps breaks down this overwhelming instrument and shows you step by step how to create your own sounds.
Now what I'm going to do is start to abuse things.
Watch as Andrew demonstrates how to create everything from a simple instrument to a theremin and a complex drone. Then take what you've learned and apply the concepts to any hardware or software synthesizer. Learn how to create sounds that will be unique to your productions. From synthesis mastermind Andrew Scheps, only on Puremix.net.